Let's begin this bulletin with big news coming in from the state of Bihar. Well, it seems now finally NDA will be releasing its joint manifesto and it will be released tomorrow. Tomorrow morning at 9:30 at Hotel Moria in Patna. The details coming in about the release are that it will be released tomorrow. Remember, the Mahagathbandhan had already come out with its manifesto calling it the Tejasvi Pran Patra, and now it seems NDA is also coming out with their manifesto. Joining us now is India Today's Aishwarya Paliwal. Aishwarya, tell us, what can we expect from this manifesto? And Mahagathbandhan was asking, why is it still not out?
Well, let me tell you from what we are understanding at the moment, while Tejasvi Yadav, and he is saying that it is his Pran Patra, we will see that the NDA leaders will now be speaking about the fact that what they want to do for the state of Bihar. See, a lot of things they have already done, especially those 10,000 rupees that have been sent into the accounts of women. That is something that the NDA has already done. How they will change the future of the state of Bihar is something that the manifesto will be speaking about. There will be promises also. Let me also tell you from what we are understanding at the point, all the NDA top leaders will be present. They will also be speaking about the fact what has already happened over the past so many years and what will happen going forward. That's something that we will see being spoken about. Industries, that's also something that Prime Minister Modi has been speaking about. So we will see a promise of industries coming into the state of Bihar and employment opportunities for the youth of Bihar. That will be the focus of this manifesto. Anjali.
Right. Thank you, Aishwarya. All eyes will be on this manifesto as the state heads into elections.